Diane Miller isn't on General Hospital that frequently, so it's understandable if some fans may not be aware of her history in Port Charles. The character first appeared back in 2007 and has always been played by Emmy-winning actress Caroline Hennessy. From criminal cases to custody battles and everything in between, Diane is the attorney you want on your side when you're facing a judge. Sonny Corinthus hired Diane to defend him in court and help him escape the long arm of the law. When he was accused of murdering Lorenzo Alcazar, the attorney advised the mobster to remarry Carly so she wouldn't have to testify against him. She also defended Sonny's top enforcer, Jason Morgan, who was also implicated in the murder and got him cleared as well. Representing Kate Howard worked out nicely for Diane, as she loved fashion and Kate was the editor of a fashion magazine. When Diane represented Elizabeth Weber in a custody battle against Lucky, she found herself pitted against his attorney, Alexis Davis. Working together to reach a settlement, the two lawyers became great friends. After drinking a bit too much, Diane went to Sonny's house where she encountered an equally drunk Max Giametti, and the two had sex. Sonny was furious and threatened to fire Max over the relationship, but Max fought back and his boss backed off. Later, when Max showed Diane the engagement ring Sonny had bought Kate, she mistakenly thought he was proposing to her. They eventually cleared up the misunderstanding by admitting to each other that they weren't ready for marriage. A little ditty about Max and Diane. Ron Tom/ABC via Getty Images. After learning that Sonny, while engaged to Kate, had slept with ex-wife Carly, Diane asked Max if he'd ever cheated on her. He didn't understand how he could have cheated since they were only in a casual relationship, which made her break up with him. He managed to woo her back, but their relationship eventually fizzled out after a few years and they parted as friends. Alexis began working with Diane as a partner to help defend Sonny against the charges that he'd murdered Claudia Zachara. She also acted as Alexis' attorney when she killed Kiefer Bauer in a hit and run. When Michael Corinthus went to jail for Claudia's murder, Diane helped get Jason convicted on the condition he would be sentenced to Pentonville with Michael so he could keep an eye on the young man. As a side project to her constant legal work, Diane teamed up with Damian Spinelli to help him write the adventures of his alter ego, Jackal, P.I. When Jason caught wind, he warned them not to include him in any way or Diane would have to sue herself on his behalf. Being grilled on the stand by Diane is not a fun place to be. xjjohnson/jbstudios.com. Diane faced off against Nora Buchanan as she represented Lulu Spencer in her custody battle against Valentine Cassadine, and then defended Carly against charges that she had tried to kill Nell Benson. And more recently, took Michael's side in his custody battle with Nell over their son, Wiley. She warned Michael that marrying Sasha wouldn't help his case, given her past, so he switched things up and presented Willow as Wiley's potential new mom to help his case. When Alexis fell off the wagon, Diane was there to join her family and friends in an intervention to help convince her to get some help. And she reluctantly supported her pal's decision to plead guilty and go to prison for attempted murder. She also advised Carly when she took over the Corinthus family business following Sonny's death. As long as there are people in Port Charles who need a good lawyer, Diane will be kept busy because she's the best, along with Alexis. Stay tuned to GH to see how her story continues. Love GH? Be sure to join our We Love General Hospital Facebook group to chat about all the latest storylines and juicy gossip. Ad block test, why?